Do you know what this means? Or what this means? And this one? 1 in every 4 machines faces preventable downtime. More than 70% of fleet delays start with ignored warning signs. Most failures start with small warning signs. That's why preventive maintenance matters. With Marwan annual maintenance contracts, we take care of every machine detail, from scheduled inspections to early diagnostics and preventive maintenance. Backed by experienced technicians, fully equipped workshops, and over 10,000 genuine spare parts available directly from our warehouses. So your machines stay ready, your projects stay moving, and your fleet keeps performing.